Hello and welcome to this episode of Packet Tracer. In this episode, I want to introduce you to different type of programming APIs that we can use for IoT devices. So let's open one of these devices. As you can see here, here I am in the programming tab, and now I can create a new project. My project can be based on 3 different programming languages, which is JavaScript, Python, and the visual programming. Now the APIs for these 3 type of programming is available in here in the help menu, in the contents, and this web page will appear for me. Now in this web page, if I go to Internet of Things, I have the API for JavaScript, Python, and the visual APIs, and a lot of details is available for you here so that you can use in your program and do your programming. That's it for this episode, everyone. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the next episode. Stay tuned.